The village has been in a state of alert for the past few days. A young orphan girl, Brenda, known for her quiet manners, has suddenly disappeared from school, leaving her classmates and the entire community on edge. As a group of teenagers, you and your friend are determined to find her before it's too late. By secretly entering her empty house, you come across her journal entries. Now you must delve into her past, uncovering the untold fears and struggles that have shaped her life. Through challenges, confronting stereotypes and discrimination, you must find where the girl is located and who is behind all this. Your mission? Rescue the girl, restore justice, and bring equality back to the village before it's too late.